Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back in Old Man in the Land of Grills. Yeah, we are. Oh man, I'll tell you what, we're going to be cooking on a Z-Grill 600 series today. Folks, I'm going to do something kind of different here tonight. We're going to do some chicken legs that are wrapped in bacon, and then as it gets done, I'm going to glaze those chicken legs with a little barbecue sauce. Bacon, barbecue sauce, chicken legs. What a great combination, folks. Give you a look, see how we do it. All right, folks, we got 2 chicken legs already ready. I'm going to show you how I'm wrapping them. I've got a chicken leg holder, folks. Got this one years ago. There's a lot of these out there. And the beauty about using this, especially with bacon, is that I don't really have to turn it. It'll cook consistently all the way around. So we'll take a chicken leg here, and we're going to start. And as far as bacon, I always buy the cheapest bacon when it comes to something like this. So I'm going to start with the thickest part of the bacon, and I'm going to put that up here high, and then I'm just going to wrap it around it like this. And because it's up high, it'll kind of cinch down on itself, and it should hold in place without falling off. At least that's the theory. We're going to test it out. All right, so outside of the bacon, we put some of this burn pit barbecue aeration. Folks, I'm going to leave the link down below. This stuff is, they've just got some really good product over there. It's a veteran-owned business, www.burnpitbarbecue.com. And then if you're asking what I'm going to be glazing this with, this sticky fire, it's hot and spicy sauce. Oh man, this stuff is so good. So onto the grill we'll go. All right, folks, just put the chicken legs on. Like I said, this is Z-Grill 600 series. And this thing is a great little pellet grill. And it's not that little because it has actually 2 shelves. We took the top shelf off, but it's actually got a PID controller. Got it set at 300 right now. You can see it dialed itself in real nicely at 302. I have just been impressed as heck with this. I already got a piece of bacon that fell off. Oh my gosh. I gotta fix that. And that's why you take a look at it. I'm gonna fix that and we'll keep on going. All right, about 20 minutes later, you see I got a pan down there to collect the juices. Our bacon is starting to cook. As it cooks, it's gonna shrink up a little bit, so we don't have to worry about anything falling off. All right, moving right along, let's take a quick look. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh man, cook up real nice. We will keep an eye on this, give you a look-see. All right, folks, let's take one last look-see before we dunk them in the barbecue sauce from Burn Pig Barbecue. I'll tell you what, oh man, nice looking color there. As the bacon shrinks, it stays on there, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. And that's the key to this whole thing. And then having it hanging, I'll tell you what, that works very well. And then having the pan below too, it makes cleanup a lot easier. All right, folks, there's the final part. Oh man, I'll tell you what, does that look delicious? We've got the bacon wrapped on there. We've got some of the Burn Pit Barbecue rub on there. And then the sauce, oh man, I'll tell you what. Let's just let's take a little taste test, shall we? Oh man. Right through the bacon. That's good. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed this. Give this a try. I tell you what, super simple to do. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Tom Horsman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.